We are at the beach. We're going to, we took Valerie to the beach. We're gonna do some exploring here and put my sandals on because I want to walk on these seashells. Check out all these shells. There's so many. Crazy. So many shells, so many shells. But yeah, we're gonna walk on the beach and spend some time in Port St. Joe, and then yeah, we'll take you guys along for the ride. Huh, Mr. Kai Kai? Yeah. So many shells. Boom. So many shells. Alright, going for a walk. Check out how gorgeous this is. Just so pretty. This is Stump Beach in, oh, giant conch. Heck yeah. I don't think it's complete.
Oh, wow.
That's cool though.
Wow.
So cool. You gonna wash it off? Giant conch. How pleasant. What a great Saturday. What a great day of rest. Huh? Oh, really? Oh yeah, that feels really nice, really pleasant. Oh, it's still pretty cool though. Yeah, so we're gonna walk that direction. I'll show you guys if we get something interesting.
There's no
Dropping my phone on the ground. Check this out. You guys can see why it's called Stump Town, or Stump Beach, I mean. Pretty neat place. Check this thing out. That taproot going straight down. Oh, so cool. I'm surprised they haven't cut it though, because that seems pretty dangerous.
Looks pretty sturdy though.
I don't know, what do you think? Be here for like an hour and then maybe go get some food or whatever?
Maybe go to YHWH.
Ooh, that'd be good. Yeah, let's do it. Good plan, good plan. YHWH is a great place. All right, so we're almost at the point to where Cap San Blas turns into, I think it turns into Indian Beach, but I'm not sure. We did get pretty, I don't know if we walked that far, babe.
What?
I don't think it's Indian Pass yet.
No, I think like farther down around the bend.
Yeah, if we were to go around the bend and then obviously further down, I don't think we're gonna go there. That's too much. That's too much. That's way too much. But yeah, we're gonna go to this point and then turn around and maybe go to YHWH. But yeah, check this out. So pretty. So pretty, Florida. You about done did yourself, Florida. Well, yeah. Well, we haven't found anything that neat. We found a molt of a horseshoe crab. I think it was a molt, or whatever it's called, the shell that they shed. And then check this out. This is pretty cool. All these shells in here. Some acupuncture on my feet. No like conch or anything. We've seen a lot of pieces of conch. And then a lot of dead crabs at the very point. Like probably like 20 or 30 dead crabs. Pretty wild. Some random stuff. I think it's cinder block. Yeah, cinder block. Oh, that's cool. Some thick boy shells. But very pretty. Probably gonna walk to a point to where we can get around. There's a like a little inlet, like tide pool thing up here. We'll probably get to a point to where we can walk on the other side of it and cut back across and go back to the car. I think it's time to go get some food. Time to go get some food?
Yeah,
Oh. Yeah, we got a teacher.
because there's some people around here. I got in the bushes.
Okay, well, let's go over there because we can get around the thing,
Okay.
and then we can go over to the bushes.
Okay, we're gonna go here.
It's pretty yucky. Oh well. I wonder if there's any fish in this little tide pool.
I was looking at it in the other water area. I don't know what you call it. Like a little runoff.
Those were streams, yeah.
And I was wondering if there's fish, but I didn't see any. This sand's soft. This sand is super soft. Mine feels like the dunes.
Well, we're gonna go get some food, I think. Walk back to the car. If we see anything interesting, I'll turn the camera back on.
I have a proposal.
What?
If there's no good restaurants that we can eat at, what if we get some meat at
This is gross. Let's walk all the way around it. And some
Get on one of the barbecues.
and some charcoal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what's
Honestly,
Actually,
I like that plan more.
I'm down for anything. I just said if we don't find a good restaurant that we can always eat at, what if we just get meat at Piggly Wiggly's and cook it on one of the barbecues after? Oh, fuck yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. All right.
That sounds fun.
We'll cut to something interesting. Get back. Hi. Look at this one. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Busted up though. But yeah, we're gonna go get some food and go probably go to a park and cook it up, do a little cook up, as the Australians would say. Do a little cook up. But I just want to check for some shells. I remember there being some good spots over here for some like spiral stuff. Not seeing anything good. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Got a good one. Oh, yes. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. They kind of get thrown up on the rocks. A lot of them break. Woo. A lot of them break. It's very slick up here. But some of them survive. Some of them make it. This is the best one. Best one we found all day. I found it right at the end. All right, we're gonna go get some steaks and go cook them at the park. Let's go to Apalachicola. Maybe get some mead. We'll see. And you guys will see too. All right, we just went to Apalachicola. We got some
good.
We got some steaks from the grocery store, and we're gonna go cook them on the beach. We got 6 steaks, which is 6 steaks and a bunch of other stuff for cheaper than we probably would have. Definitely cheaper than if we would have gone out to eat.
That's good.
So.
And it's gonna be way better.
Well, imagine 6 steaks at a restaurant. How much would that cost?
Be, at least over 100.
Yeah.
150 maybe.
Yeah.
200.
Yesterday's steaks were so small at that.
Yeah, they were.
Like, oh.
They said 9-ounce steaks, and it looked like even like 6-ounce steaks maybe.
Yeah, it's tiny.
But they're still good.
Yeah.
They're actually decent quality meat too. But
it was a little rare, and it's still good.
now we're going to St. George Island. We're gonna go. We made it to St. George and went to the park. Gonna grill up some steaks. You can see that right here. And go look for some seashells and stuff. Eat some cheese, grill up some steaks. It's gonna be a great time. This thing's cooking. Wow. It's going hard. But yeah. Cut to something interesting. Well,
Say what you said again.
nothing that's not over here.
Before that.
At the beach again. Just had steaks. And now we're playing in the sand, fully clothed. Already got soaked. So this is fun. You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh. Okay, to be honest, my foot is killing me.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Sorry.
like really strained or something.
Is that your driving foot? You want me to
I don't think it really hurts when I'm driving. It just hurts when I'm walking.
Put more pressure on it.
We went to the beach. My foot is killing me. Probably from all the walking we did this morning, but saw this little thing on the side of the road. Almost looks like there's tide pools over here. Oh man, this is so cool. Tons of oyster shells. Yeah, tide pool. Mostly with oysters in it. There's some other shells, but barely. Mostly oyster shells. That's crazy. Yeah, it's a big old tide pool. That's so cool. I want to see some crabs, dog. Where are the crabs at? Where's Mr. Krabs at? Not seeing any crabs. Really cool though. Man, it's hard to walk. Oh, my foot is killing me. I think I just strained because we walked like 4 miles earlier today, and I haven't done anything like that in a while. Just strained my foot. Yeah, pretty much a tide pool. And look at that little beach, like a little private beach over there. Ouch. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Oh man, that's it for now. That's it, we did it. We made it home. My leg is killing me, but we did it. A whole grand adventure. We're back home by 3, 5, 4. I think it's 4, but pretty solid day. Multiple walks on the beach, steaks on the beach. because we can't eat really anything else that's tasty. But good stuff. Don't tilt it too much because those steaks are gonna leak. Love you guys, and see you guys tomorrow.